how you can download IPTV Smarters Pro on your Firestick. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, go to your Firestick home screen and click on the search icon. Type in Downloader and select it from the list. Now click on the Downloader app and install it. Once it's installed, open the Downloader app. It might ask for permission to access your files. Click Allow. Now go back to the Firestick home screen and head over to Settings. Scroll down and select My Fire TV. Then click on About. Here you'll need to click on your Fire TV stick name 7 times to enable developer options. You'll see a message saying you're now a developer. Go back to the previous menu and select Developer Options. Click on Install Unknown Apps and turn on the option for Downloader. Now, open the Downloader app again. In the URL box, type in firesticktricks.com/smarter and click Go. This will start downloading the IPTV Smarters Pro app. Once the download is complete, you'll see an option to install the app. Click Install. After the installation finishes, you can choose to open the app right away or click Done to return to the Downloader app. If you clicked Done, you'll be back in the Downloader app. It will ask if you want to delete the installation file to save space. Click Delete and then confirm by clicking Delete again. Now go back to your Firestick home screen and navigate to Apps. Scroll down and you'll find the IPTV Smarters Pro app. Click on it to open. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask you to accept the terms. Click Accept. Then you'll see options to log in. You can choose to log in with an M3U URL or with Extreme Codes API, depending on what your IPTV provider gave you. Enter the required information and you're all set. And that's it. That's how you can download IPTV Smarters Pro on your Firestick.